mid-grid masochist. This is where I live, in an RV, year-round. No water during the winter months, so I have to bust it in myself. I'm gonna show you how to do that. God, it's disgusting out. Wish it was raining and cold. Just kidding. It's beautiful. Let's go get some water. Here we are. This is the only place I can get water that's not frozen currently because it's like 20 degrees outside. It was 18 last night. Any campground water shut off at this point to manually get it myself. It really makes you appreciate running water. I had a pump go bad and I thought it was frozen, and I lived a month out of 5-gallon jugs. It's not fun, but it's doable. We just take it for granted. We get this filled up. This is probably going to take 15-20 minutes. As you can see, the water coming out of here is pretty high pressure. It doesn't take too long. Now we wait. All right, a little bit over 100 gallons. Saying I'm getting close to 125. And as you can see, she's starting to squat. 8 pounds. There's like 8.3 pounds for a gallon of water. This thing will hold like 250. That's probably over the weight. This isn't a Hemi. But I'm gonna go ahead and shut her off and we're gonna get heading out. So just to give you a little bit of background, this water comes from the mines. It is a natural spring that runs into the mines. It's been tested before. It's not good for drinking straight, that's for sure. I filter mine with a Berkey water filter, and that gets out like 99.9% of everything. And I've been drinking this water for months and had no issues at all after it goes through the filter. For showering and everything, I have it go through a lesser filter as it goes into the RV. I think it's 14 acres total. It's like a 6-acre lake in the back. Maybe we'll try to explore that one day. Leave it in the comments if you want me to go back there. We're gonna go ahead and head back up, try to get everything set up. Gotta get the pump ready, gotta get the hoses. Pump. I gotta keep it warm or it'll freeze. There's the Vito. Biggest boy. Nice hoodie. Okay, so we gotta hook the pump up. It's just a regular inline food grade pump. I'm gonna try to find hoses and I'll be back. We got ourselves a Taste Pure pre-filter that I put on. Right, finally, after thawing a bunch of hoses, this will take probably 20 minutes to a half an hour to get all this out. The RV does have heating pads in it for the tanks to keep them from freezing, but that's pretty much it. Do this probably maybe once every week and a half, every 2 weeks. I gotta go bust some water up. It makes it so that I can continue to have showers and wash my dishes. Maybe I'll post some other stuff about how I live. This kind of explains the mid-grid portion of my name. I'm not off-grid by any means, but mid-grid meaning that I don't have all of the normal amenities such as running water all the time. I have it whenever I can bust it in. The pump went out for like a month, thought it was frozen. Just so happened that it had a loose connection. So joke's on me on that one. I'm the mid-grid masochist. Have yourself a good rest of your day.